Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Gmail is ready. Turn on a map, and if you use two-step verification, create an app password or have your phone handy for the prompt. Now open Mail. App and choose Mail, then add account, then Google. You'll see Google's sign-in window. Start typing your Gmail address and password. This step uses OAuth when available, so you're giving Mail limited access rather than sharing raw credentials. Once done, proceed to grant permissions. You'll complete the Google sign in Flow next. Enter credentials, approve the requested permissions, and pick which Google services to sync. Make sure Mail is checked. Also choose Contacts and Calendars only if you want them in Apple apps. If you have two-step verification and OAuth is blocked, use the app password you created earlier or switch to browser authentication when prompted. Once you finish, Mail will register the account and begin the initial mailbox download. This may take a few minutes depending on mailbox size. You finalize setup by opening Mail Preferences accounts to configure mailbox behaviors, folder mappings, and sync frequency, so Mail stores drafts and sent items where you expect. Make sure the sent/trash/junk are mapped to Gmail labels to keep things consistent across devices. If synchronization stalls, check Gmail's IMAP setting, remove any obsolete saved password in Keychain Access, then reauthorize the account in Mail.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.